Hello everyone, Mr. Hissner here, and today we are going to be looking at what are called CPCTC proofs. That's corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, CPCTC. And what these proofs essentially are is you prove two triangles are congruent, because if the two triangles are congruent, then each part of the triangle must be congruent as well. So the idea is that we're going to use our four triangle congruences to prove two triangles are congruent, and then just make a blanket statement about the other parts. And I think that once you see how these are kind of laid out, they're really not that bad. So let's see. Here we have our first one. Okay, so what do we want to do? We want to prove that these two angles are the same. We want to prove that angle BCA is congruent to angle DCA. And we're going to prove this by CPCTC. That's just what we're going to do. Whenever you have two triangles are the same, and you need to prove that the pieces of the triangle are the same, you have to use CPCTC to get there. Okay, so we have some given information. We have 1, 2. We have AB is congruent to AD. And we have, I don't know where to put this, BC. I'm just going to put it here. BC is congruent to DC. I don't really want to run out of space. These are both given. AB, AD, BC, DC. Oh, this proof is over. I see it already. So the thing here that we have a shared side. Whenever we have a shared side, we have to think, is this reflexive or is it symmetric? I'm going to go over to, let's see, congruent parts. So this is A, B, C, and this is going to be A, D, C. It looks like AC 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So this is going to be AC and AC. So this is going to be reflexive. And once we have that, that's our third side, and then we have side, side, side. So we have angle A, or segment AC is congruent to segment AC because this is reflexive. And then we have our triangles, ABC is congruent to triangle ADC, and this is because of side, side, side congruency. And if two triangles are congruent, then we know that all their parts have to be congruent. So that means that angle C, these two angles are congruent because CPCTC. So the idea here is find a way to make the two triangles congruent, SAS, SSS, ASA, AAS, and then once you have your two triangles are congruent, they pretty much all will wrap up in the same fashion. That since the two triangles are congruent, congruent parts of congruent triangles are congruent, so then we can say any two pieces of these triangles are also congruent. So hopefully you found this helpful. I will be uploading some more videos for you guys.